keeper, big strong man. There he goes. He's a big hitter, this fella. Gone, gone, gone.
He's going to capitalize on Narsingh being Ryan towards the end of the innings. Ryan isn't getting the length right. Should be looking to fire this up into the block hole, give it some air and on a length. And the ball gets some airtime.
Just gets a single in the offside now. No question he has come to do, and no question what you expect him to do. He's come out there to slog. This is the 48th over. It's 2:31 for 4. 2:38 for 4. India on course for 250.
The moment controlling the time.
Live when he had that big 100 against Pakistan in that one-day series in India. And a little flick down to fine leg for 4. They're loving it here.
Well, he can do nothing. This is just great creativity.
Dhoni's 17 already. He's perfected the shot.
It's well.
A lot of yapping going on out there. Come for the single. Real pressure on the West Indies here. Doesn't matter now. It's ran onto the ball. And they'll come for the second. Real pressure on the West Indies feet. And the ball has become like a bar of soap.
And the thing about it is that you want Dhoni off strike because he's stronger. He's not as tired as Mohammad Kaif. He will hit the ball further. It should have been limited to one. Monaco Morton was the fielder. Happens now.
4. Not quite. Best onto it. And in fact, they only got 2 because Kaif is really not able to run a third. 9 the over so far. Last ball, and India will feel that they have sufficient already against the West Indies batting team with his out Chandapal, their captain, down with a viral infection today. Last ball.